You didn't say hi.
Said what?
Well, the people, they love you. I'm back at it again with my little puppy. I'm home, sorry, watching Sex and the City. And I figured that it started here with the vlogs at home, so I would bring them back while being home. So here I am. Max and I are trying to do a sober December, as well as get back into a fire routine and working out and all that stuff. So that'll be fun. I feel like it is so dark. Let's see if that helped. Yeah, that helped. Okay, so basically we're gonna try to do a sober December, like just for little shits and giggles, like no reason specifically, but I thought it'd be nice. It could also be like a good like jump start into getting back to healthy lifestyle, bettering ourselves, all that good stuff. Ending the year strong and starting 2022 strong. Right? Good morning. Okay, so can't wear any eye makeup like mascara right now because I tried the Grande Lash. I don't know if you saw my story, but my eyes did not react well. But my mother and I are going to Target and Whole Foods, so take you along with us. Also, puffer jacket is from H&M. Beanie is from Club Monaco. I'm wearing my Set Active leggings, and my turtleneck is Aritzia. Oh my god, I want this for the corner of my room. Okay, so Target didn't have the new Revlon blow dry brush, but I heard the Ulta by Me does, so I'm here. And I'm going to see if they have it, and then I'm gonna go wash my hair and try it out. I got the blow drying brush. It is detachable, similar to the Dyson. I like this one better because it's red and black, not pink and black, and I'm not a big pink gal. So I'm happy about that. Let's try this out. Oh. Okay, I'm off to get my booster shot. My mom was gonna come with me, but I decided to man up and go myself. I have no words. I'm dumb, I guess those would be the words. I did not have an appointment for today for my booster. I had an appointment for December 12th. So I'm going home now. So I have my pimple patches on, which I got today from Target. It is pretty late. My eyes are red again, even though I didn't use the Grande Lash today. Went to dinner at my family friends, had sushi, and what else did I do today? Went on a walk, 3.8 miles, with my parents. I need to go to bed, and I have a long day ahead tomorrow of work. I'm cold. Good morning. There we go, focused. Good morning. It is Monday at 11:15 a.m. I am picking up a much needed dirty chai with, cannot move my fingers, I'm so cold, 3 shots. Yes, 3 shots. And then I'm getting back to work. I have like 17 bajillion projects to do. I want to bake and plan for dinner and then pack and all sorts of stuff. So, yeah. I've fully almost just got into the wrong car. So, ow, oh my God, my knee is so messed up. I keep getting these really sharp pains and it is painful. So that's good. I'm having a well-deserved rest day today. Good morning. I'm back in the city, headed to a work event and to see Max. It is 8:50 and Moose is eating breakfast. She's staring at me. She knows I'm talking to absolutely no one. Moosey girl. Hi, baby. Hi, kitty. But I'm just doing some work and I'm gonna make breakfast soon. Yeah, we just went on a walk, grabbed Starbucks. Let me get that. Got a dirty chai with 3 shots and oat milk, and so good. It has been an absolutely crazy weekend with dog sitting and just life in general. I'm so sorry that I started this and then it just got freaking crazy. So I am back. It is Sunday, December 5th. It's around 11:30 and I just got to my apartment. I was staying at Max's and freaking Tamara Anthony sent me her new planner and it is stunning. So I'm planning on starting to fill it out for the month of December and I'll show you guys like what that looks like. I mean, it's only December 5th, starting off on a new week anyways. So yeah, and I went this whole weekend and successfully did the first weekend of dry December with Max. So woo, awesome. So yeah, let's get this party started and start to fill out the planner. And then I'm gonna make breakfast, brunch, lunch, whatever that is now, and also get my nails done and get my hair done with ClassPass. And I will link down below my links so you guys can get a free trial. So that's fabulous. All right. Make it your bitch. Heck yeah. So I'm gonna fill this out and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like. Okay. So I laid out December, like hair appointment, nails, some content stuff I have to finish, my therapy sessions, pay rent, Wi-Fi, electric, all of that. And then added in my workouts that I'm gonna do. I have to put this one. And yeah, I just have to finish up the get tos here, and we're done. So cute. Thank you, Tamra. I am obsessed. Bagel, apple and kiwi. Oh my god, I can't speak. Apple and kiwi and a bagel for breakfast. It is 5:23. I just finished getting my nails done. I'll show you guys a better picture when it's not dark out, or like film them. And I am now headed to get my hair done at Dop Salon. I'll write the information here. And I get it done with ClassPass. I am obsessed with Daniel. This is his Instagram. I'll also link it down below. So if you're gonna go there, I highly recommend you go to him. He's my absolute favorite. So just waiting for my Uber to get me. It's like a minute away. And we shall head down to Soho, and then I'm going to Max's to have dinner and watch Dexter because we are addicted. It is later in the night. Hair is done. Looking absolutely fabulous. No more gray hair. And I guess I'll wrap it up here. Even though this was like a crazy vlog, I don't even know, all over the place. We'll see how this goes. But thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. Definitely subscribe, hit the like button. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram, lifestyle.by.lea. You know the drill. And hopefully I'll be doing another one of these. Maybe I'll do like one a week. Vlogmas? Question mark? I don't know. We'll see. My hair is so soft, so I can't stop touching it. Yeah, that's it. See you next time.